But here's the truth. Peeing during exercise, during sneezing, during workouts is common, but it's not normal. It's not normal. And actually there is help. And I think there needs to be more conversation on what we can do to prevent peeing. And two pretty common reasons that we might have leaking or peeing during these situations or these kind of symptoms. The first one is constant tension or pressure on our pelvic floor. So when we are pregnant, right, our bellies get bigger, we're developing, we've got fluid, baby, all kinds of things. And that's sitting on our pelvic floor. And then the second reason is constant tension. So you could have a weak pelvic floor, or you could have an overactive, or also known as hypertonic pelvic floor. That's when the pelvic floor is always tight. It's always tight. So if you are, for example, you've been lifting for a while and you like to breathe and brace during those max attempts. So we're breathing in, bracing down. That tension and that pressure that's getting created in our abdomen is also putting pressure on the pelvic floor, if you think about it.